Hello, welcome back to my advanced Excel tutorial. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel functions to get the top end performance in a report. It is not enough to know how to use Excel functions, but how to apply the same to solving business problems. And also, you need to develop the skills to combine several Excel functions to solve the problems on hand. Now on this video, I'm going to show you how to use the rank and the Vlookup function to get the top end performance in a report. Now there's a function called rank. I'm going to put the result here because I also want to use the Vlookup function because the Vlookup works from the leftmost side of a table. So I will use the rank function. Now there are different functions that you can use, but this one is available in Excel. You can take a look at this one, the results of this one. If it finds values that have the same rank, it will return the average. This may not give us what we want. Now you can try this one as well. It says returns the rank of a number in a list of values. List of numbers, its size relative to other values in this. If more than one value has the same rank, the top rank of that set of value is returned. So, but this is what I want to use. Now, it will ask you the number you want to rank. This is the number I want to rank. I'll make this relative. Now, the reference for those numbers are, the number exists in this set. So, I'm also going to make this absolute reference. Then just leave the default order using this. So you can copy this here. You can see you have the ranking of the numbers. Now I go to another worksheet where I have highlighted the top end numbers I want to extract information about. So I will now use the Vlookup function to look for this value in that table where you have the rank. So I'm going to start from this part of the table, but I'll select only 2 columns here because I'm interested in the names. But you start your selection from the leftmost part of the table. And since this table has 2 columns, I would select the second column and I must look for exactly that lookup value. Now I need to make this absolute reference so that the cell reference will not change. So you can see how to combine both the Vlookup and the rank function to get the top end performance in a report. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.